Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to survive gas zones in COD Warzone Mobile. To do that, stay aware of the circle. Always keep an eye on the minimap and the main map to know the current position of the gas circle. This will help you plan your movements accordingly and avoid getting caught off guard. Move early. As soon as you see the gas circle shrinking towards your location, start moving towards the safe zone. Waiting until the last moment increases the risk of getting trapped or taking unnecessary damage. Utilize vehicles. Vehicles can be a lifesaver when trying to outrun the gas. Look for vehicles such as trucks, ATVs, or helicopters to quickly navigate through the map and reach the safe zone in time. Gas masks are essential items that provide temporary protection from the effects of the gas. Whenever you come across a gas mask, equip it immediately to buy yourself more time to escape the gas zone. Stock up on healing items. Carry an ample supply of healing items such as armor plates, medical kits, and syringe. These items can help you sustain damage from the gas and stay alive longer while making your way to safety. Avoid unnecessary engagements while moving through gas zones. Fighting other players can draw attention to your location and waste precious time, increasing the risk of getting caught in the gas. Stay close to the edge when moving towards the safe zone. Try to stay close to the edge of the gas circle rather than running through the middle. This reduces the distance you need to travel and minimizes exposure to potential threats. Monitor gas damage. Pay attention to your health bar and monitor the rate at which you are taking damage from the gas. Knowing how quickly your health is depleting will help you gauge when to use healing items or when to prioritize finding a safe zone. Coordinate with teammates. If you are playing in a squad, communicate with your teammates and coordinate your movements to ensure each one reaches the safe zone safely. Assign roles such as driver, navigator, and lookout to maximize efficiency. And that's how to survive gas zones in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.